Fine and Country welcome you to Farthingdown-Combe, this exquisite property inspired by the timeless elegance of French chateau architecture. It's an absolute stunner. It can be 4 bedrooms, it can be 6 bedrooms. It stands in 2¼ acres. It's on the edge of the village of Holywell Lake, and this is something rather special. Why don't we go on and have a look? So whether you're seeking a spacious family home or looking to incorporate ancillary accommodation, it's all achievable in this property with a spread of accommodation over 4 floors. We actually have a lower ground floor level that can be incorporated in the main house or would make a great apartment, providing you with the opportunity for additional income. So if you're looking for a home that offers plenty of accommodation, unique architecture, amazing extra space, a paddock, orchard, stables, fancy a bit of the good life, then this really is the one for you. And I guess I would say, game on.